Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can invite your friends to your Among Us hosted game. So first what we need to do here is to of course host a game, so go on online, and then as you can see here below the host there is a button that says create game. Press on that and then you can select basically modify your game. You can select the posters, players and so on. Press confirm. And as you can see here, when you hosted the game, below on the bottom there is a code, as you can see here, for me XXHSWAVNQ. So basically, if you want to invite your friends, what you need to do here is to share this code with your friends. And once you share it for them, what they need to do here is to, if I leave the game, as you can see here, they need to go on online, and then as you can see here below the private there is a place for them to write code, and basically what they need to do here is to write that code to this place and they will be automatically entering the game of yours. Alright, so guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.